If you're looking to start a simple AI business, this video is exactly for you. You should consider AI drop servicing. The good part is you typically don't need any experience in AI or in drop servicing because these two models now are even easier with the AI tools that I'm going to talk about in this video. So first of all, what is AI drop servicing? AI drop servicing is when you sell services that are created using AI tools. That can be email marketing, that can be websites, that can be AI automations, and stuff like this. So you're not building a software and you're not selling AI tools themselves. This is not affiliate marketing. You're selling outcomes that businesses want, like websites, content, videos, branding, or systems, automations, and chatbots. With that in mind, the AI does most of the service work. Your role is to get a client, package the service, and deliver the result. That's why AI experience is not a barrier here. Now, let's talk about the first step, and this is where most beginners overthink things. The first step is choosing one simple service. You don't need to offer everything. In fact, offering too many services makes it harder to start. So good beginner options include AI website creation, AI social media content, AI copywriting, AI branding, or AI video content. I've been covering AI tools for these kinds of niches for the last year. So I've tried and tested so many different tools. You can check it on my channel. Almost every video will have either a sponsor or a review or some kind of a mention of an AI tool. Just to give you a couple of tools that you can have in mind. For AI website creation, you have Hostinger. It's really good. It has a lot of AI tools where you can create websites and web stores literally in seconds. Shopify, again, super simple to create an online store with AI these days. AI copywriting. This is a really popular choice that you can do with Claude, ChatGPT, Grok, and more dedicated SEO writing.ai tools like that. AI branding, again, this is more like graphic design. So again, ChatGPT and similar tools and video content. There's loads of different platforms that you can create videos and chop videos into shorts. These are services businesses already understand. So you're not inventing anything new. You're just delivering them using AI. Once you pick one service, you don't need to master it. You only need to understand how to use the AI tool well enough to create solid results. This segment is sponsored by Ozdar. Hiring online can feel painfully slow. Endless messages, unclear scope, and too much back and forth. That's why Ozdar stood out to me. Ozdar is where talent meets opportunity, a marketplace where freelancers publish offers and buyers purchase directly. There is no bidding, there is no long negotiations, no guesswork. You can see the scope and you can see the pricing upfront, which makes the whole process feel much faster, clearer, and more seamless. It also uses secure escrow, so payment is only released after the work is delivered and accepted. And with 900 different categories, it's easy to find the right offer, whether you're growing a business or outsourcing everyday tasks. If you're a buyer, you can get 10% discount off your first purchase plus 1% cashback. Click the link in the description and check out Ozdar today. The second step is learning the AI tool behind the service. This doesn't mean you're becoming an expert. And by the way, in a lot of these cases, it's actually super simple and quick to become an expert if you're using these AI tools. You probably need just a few hours a week for a few weeks, and you're going to be pretty good at delivering AI websites, AI graphic design, AI copywriting, and stuff like that. Actually, most of these AI tools today are designed for non-technical users, which is really important. And if you follow instructions and make small adjustments, you can make these tools work for you really well. And it's actually not about watching some YouTube tutorials or whatever. Just literally get the cheapest subscription, and some of them have even like a free trial and stuff. Just try and see what you can do on your own for your own project projects for your own portfolio before you get clients. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is to offer good value for money to your clients. You need to experiment and see how you're able to deliver results and how you're able to get high quality. And also, AI drop servicing typically doesn't mean super advanced, highly customized results. It's more about providing basic social media marketing, video editing, graphic design, and web design results and solutions for small businesses and maybe medium businesses and, of course, other individual clients. So you should be able to deliver basic high quality marketing results. Now, the third step is packaging the service in a simple way. This is where AI drop servicing really shines. Instead of talking about AI tools, features, you describe the results. For example, instead of saying use AI tools to build website, you say I help businesses to get a clean, professional website without the stress and better add a timeline. For example, within 24 hours. That adds even more leverage and even better execution for business. Businesses care about outcomes, not how the work is done. Create a simple description of what the client gets, how long it takes, and what the problem it solves. And also, what is really important is that you typically don't even need a website or a brand to do it. A clear message is enough, and you can basically portray yourself as a freelancer. So you can create basically just a simple Facebook page or a simple LinkedIn page, or even just have an email and start reaching out to potential clients. Now, the fourth step is finding your first potential clients. When you have zero experience, the best clients are small businesses, local businesses, solo founders, traders, and service providers. These are the people that can make the decision quickly, and these people typically need help. They don't have the internal teams that are working on marketing, on graphic design, on web development, and stuff like that, and they want somebody that is able to quickly take over their marketing tasks quickly, cheaply, and effectively. You can reach out through social media like Instagram, email, or even in person talking to local businesses. The key is not to sell aggressively. The goal is to start a conversation and understand their needs. For example, what are your current marketing needs? Do you need to run Facebook ads, Google ads? Do you need a new website? Maybe you need new business cards. Maybe you need some marketing automations, creating some funnels and stuff like that. And if something clicks, then you can think about, okay, what could be the price and what tool could I actually use to provide that service? Because nowadays, you can pretty much provide almost anything with these AI tools. When you explain that you handle everything for them and you become like a go-to marketing person for them, you make it simple, most people are at least willing to listen. But you must make sure that you're not starting a hard sell and you're asking first, what are they actually needing right now in marketing, in advertising, graphic design, web design? The fifth step is delivering the service with honesty and care. Honestly, this is super important because a lot of freelancers and AI drop servicers, they think about, oh, I'm just gonna do this as a cash grab. So I'm gonna get a few clients, I'm gonna deliver some websites where the cost is, I don't know, $10 or $20 to create the website. I'm going to sell it at 500, so I'm going to do it 10 times. So I'm going to make some quick money here and there, and it's going to be great. That is true, but I personally look at it more long term. So if you're looking to build a business, for example, a web design agency, graphic design agency, and stuff like that, you need to be transparent about the timelines. You need to be transparent about the expectations. You need to be giving reports to your clients. You need to communicate. You need to invest in the relationship with clients. If you're going to do that, you're going to build a business and you're not going to be just another freelancer. Also, you don't need to say that you're new, but you should communicate clearly and professionally. Another thing that is super important as well is you don't necessarily have to mention that you're using AI to provide these services. In some cases, it's a plus. In some cases, it's a minus. For example, for web design, you absolutely don't need to mention that you're using AI to create websites and web stores. For graphic design, same. But there are some niches where it actually is important. For example, AI customer service, AI chatbots, AI automations. If you remove AI, the service becomes actually a worse one. So use the AI tool to generate the work, then review it, make small adjustments, and deliver it in a clean format. Your job is to make the client's life easier, and you become the marketing person for your client. Now let's talk about a mindset shift that's very important when starting with zero experience. You shouldn't be pretending to be a super high level expert. You should be acting as a service provider who uses modern tools to get results. Because AI drop servicing or AI freelancing is not about providing high level, super expert level services. It's actually about providing the mid-tier and the lower tier quality services at much lower prices, but of course with much less work and much faster. If you can deliver a result that helps them, your experience level becomes irrelevant. Another important point is that your first few clients are all about learning, not perfection. Every client teaches you something, and you get better at communicative, at using the tools, at understanding what businesses actually want. So you're in a way learning as you're scaling your freelancing or an agency. Now, let's address a common fear. Many people worry that because of AI tools that are available to everyone, clients will just do it themselves. Well, the reality is your clients don't want to learn all these tools. They don't want to experiment. They don't want to manage. They want to pay somebody to take care of their problems and deliver them results. With that in mind, what is also super important is to understand starting AI drop servicing is possible because the model is simple without any experience. You choose one service, you learn one AI tool, you package a clear outcome, you reach out to people who already need help or businesses, and you deliver value. You don't need to be an AI expert, a developer, a marketer. You just need to start, experiment, and grow. So if this video was helpful, like the video, subscribe, and check my channel for more AI business ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in this video next.